This morning we're making flourless peanut butter and oat cookies. There's been such a surge on flour right now as we're all doing extra baking at home. Thought it might be useful to have a flour-free recipe on hand. So we're going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's get started. Into the bowl, a cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, lightly beat it first. There we go, in it goes. Next, a 1/4 cup each of soft brown sugar and white sugar. And we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. Just using my old faithful hand mixer here. Off it goes. Now we're ready to add the oats. I'm using quick oats. In it goes. Need about a tablespoon of mixture. This is looking good. Now we need to press down with a fork. These are ready to go into our preheated oven. Only take a few minutes. I would say check them after 5, just because home ovens do differ. Here they are, my flourless peanut butter and oat cookies. As they come out the oven, just leave them to cool on the tray to firm up for a couple of minutes, and then pop them across onto a wire tray to cool down.